I am washing some vegetables. I am washing some vegetables. I am rinsing some tomatoes. I am rinsing some tomatoes. I am peeling a potato. I am peeling a potato. I am cracking an egg. I am cracking an egg. I am whisking the eggs. I am whisking the eggs. I am slicing a cucumber. I am slicing a cucumber. I am chopping an onion. I am chopping an onion. I am dicing a carrot. I am dicing a carrot. I am mincing some garlic. I am mincing some garlic. I am grating some cheese. I am grating some cheese. I am squeezing a lemon. I am squeezing a lemon. I am pouring some milk. I am pouring some milk. I am adding some salt. I am adding some salt. I am adding some pepper. I am adding some pepper. I am stirring the soup. I am stirring the soup. I am mixing the ingredients. I am mixing the ingredients. I am kneading the dough. I am kneading the dough. I am spreading some butter. I am spreading some butter. I am frying an egg. I am frying an egg. I am boiling some water. I am boiling some water. I am steaming some vegetables. I am steaming some vegetables. I am baking a cake. I am baking a cake. I am serving the food. I am serving the food. I am tasting the soup. I am tasting the soup. I am drying the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am putting the dishes away. I am putting the dishes away. I am wiping the counter. I am wiping the counter. Learn English with Thai. Learn English with Thai.